Hello, Lego friends. We are the
Crackles.
We want to tell you about a problem. Too much wasted food. We have a plan to solve it. Did you know every year almost 3 trillion pounds of food never gets eaten? That weighs more than 98,000 school buses. And it's almost a third of all the food farmers grow around the world. That's a lot of yummy strawberries just gone to waste.
When we waste food, we also waste all of the water and fertilizer used to grow the food, and all of the energy used to keep that food cool and fresh, and all of the fuel used to haul that food from the farm to factories and stores to our houses.
When the food gets thrown in the trash, it ends up in the landfill, where it gives off really bad smells and gases.
Here's how we learn to help. Only take the foods you need and eat what you take. Give extra food to hungry people and hungry animals. If you have food scraps or rotten food left over in the compost, composting turns food back into good soil to feed plants. Hey, we got a composter, but it takes a lot of time to break down big pieces of food into dirt. You have to keep stirring it up, and it only works in the summer, or in winter it's too cold for things to break down. Sometimes it gets smelly too. And what a mess.
Crackles, the composting robo-dog, to rescue the day. We built this robot to solve your composting problems. Scanners in its feet and eyes to look for wasted food. Its mouth has turning gear with blades. They chop the food waste into tiny bits. The green breath mint gets rid of bad smells.
The stomach turns to mix up the compost and help it break down faster. There's a heater under the stomach so it works in winter. The compost comes out the back of the robo-dog into its bucket, which slides down its tail into your garden.
Okay, that's good.
3.
We are the Crackles!
Steven! Jumbo! Jack! Fletcher! Miles! Maya!
Thanks for watching our video!